Okay, here we are back on this little spreadsheet that we had prepared in previous videos. What I want to cover in this video real briefly is, okay, well, how do you save this? How do you email it? How do you print it? That sort of thing. Well, first of all, and we should have actually named this file and saved it at the very beginning. That should be one of the first things that you do. But let's go ahead and do it now. We have our spreadsheet. I'm going to go to File. I can't just push Save because I haven't named it yet. So I'm going to say Save As, and I'm going to browse. I'm going to put it in on my desktop, and I'm just going to say Dave Krug expenses for January through June. Okay, so I'm in my desktop folder. Some of this is very, very basic computer stuff, and I push save. Now it's saved, and you can see what the title of it is up there. Okay, now every now and then when you're working on a spreadsheet, go up to this little disk button and just push save so that you don't lose your work, okay, if the power goes out or something. Okay, now let's say I want to print this. How do you print? Well, I'm going to show you just the very, very basics of printing. Okay, first thing that you would do is you would highlight the data you want printed. Now, since this is such a small worksheet, you probably don't even really need to do that. You could just go to File and then Print, and it would show you what is going to print. Okay, and that is all 6 months. But sometimes if you have a lot of data and you just want to print a small portion of it, then what you need to do is define what you exactly want printed by highlighting that area, going to Page Layout, Print Area, Set Print Area. Okay, once again I'll go to File, Print, and it should show you a nice preview of what things are going to look like. Okay, well, let me show you a couple things real quick. First of all, we have a little itty bitty spreadsheet, and we have a lot of dead real estate here. So since that spreadsheet is kind of horizontal, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to actually go to Page Layout, not Home, but Page Layout, Orientation. I'm going to change it from a portrait to a landscape. Okay, and now when I go to print, it will be like this. Now that still is a lot of dead real estate. So what I could do if I wanted to is I could go to the scaling. Okay, and I could go to custom scaling options, and I could say let's adjust it to 125% of its normal size. And it made it a little larger. Okay, if you want it to be a little larger than that, well, let's go up to 150. Should we do it? Dare we? Okay, and there we go. Okay, now what you can do is choose your printer, choose how many copies you want. This is only one page, so but I usually say print one-sided, but you can do all of that. And then you push print and it prints out there. Okay, now I'm going to save this again. Even though I haven't changed the data, I've changed some of the print formatting, so I want to go ahead and save that file. Okay, and now I'm going to in a minute show you how to email something. Oh, one other thing I want to show you on printing real quick. I just thought of, sometimes people like to have the grid lines show on their spreadsheet. If that is what you like, scroll down, hit this page setup, go to sheet, click grid lines, push OK, and now you can see there's grid lines there, however you like it. Okay, so let's go ahead and save that to the desktop. And let's see how to attach this to an email. Okay, I am in an email. In an email that I'm writing right now, and I'm going to go ahead and just send this to myself. And I'll tell you, sometimes I will send a file to myself. For example, let's say I'm working on a computer here at the college in one of our many computer resource centers, and I want to make sure I have the file when I'm at home. Well, I might just go into whatever email program I use and attach the file and send it to myself. Okay, so again, this is pretty basic stuff, and I'm just going to say computer spreadsheet. That'll be the title of my email, and then I'll say is attached. Now, I don't know what email program you're using, and the objective of these videos is not to teach about email, but rather spreadsheets and Excel. But most of your email programs have some sort of paperclip or attach file. You click on that, then you need to go out and find where that file was. Remember, there's desktop. Double click on that, and now that file is there. So you can send it to yourself or whoever you want to, and they will have this lovely email with the file attached.